Hi, Ken here with CADimensions. Many of us in manufacturing are going through a whirlwind of changes right now, whether it's from an uneasy supply chain or just trying to figure out where to safely put everyone in our own facilities. I want to talk about two strategies companies use to maximize productivity out of limited resources or just improve overall performance when your facility is running at full capacity. In this video, I want to talk about employee cross-training and the use of digital work instructions. Both concepts are not new to manufacturing, but their value has been magnified due to current restrictions. Even after everything returns to normal, these tools still bring agility and flexibility to manufacturing. Clients value agile manufacturers that can make changes quickly and respond to different customer demands. Let's talk more about how these practices can impact your business and how manufacturing platforms like Tulip can help get you there. Originally, cross-training was a tool used by companies to groom future managers, giving them additional responsibilities that would help them transition into a future role. Today, this practice is expanded to include all levels of employees for a variety of reasons. First, companies use this as a strategy to create redundancies among employee skills. If a key employee leaves the company or goes on a long vacation, a cross-trained employee can immediately step in and fill that void. Cross-training is also about developing employees to improve the business and customer experience. Employees build skills and knowledge by working on new projects, building the necessary specialization to move into a more senior role. You know that 40-year veteran machinist who's been talking about retiring for the past 5 years? When employees are cross-trained, one key team member's tribal knowledge can be spread across any number of individuals, preventing numerous years of experience and expertise from simply walking out the door. Digital work instructions guide operators through their daily tasks with easy-to-follow paperless instructions so they stay productive, engaged, and accurate. When I talk about digital work instructions, I'm talking about interactive instructions that are able to provide user feedback and incorporate media and analytics, not just photocopies of physical paper instructions. Digital work instructions have numerous advantages over their paper counterparts. First, data collection and display is much easier. Data like cycle time, defect rates, and others can be automatically recorded in the background and presented to operators and managers using analytics. With logic tools, you can build in quality checks that can prevent operators from making mistakes during the assembly process. The second big advantage of digital work instructions is the incorporation with IoT devices. IoT devices can streamline data collection and automate tasks, reducing the need to have operators manually recording information. And last, being digital means revision control and releases are a breeze. No more going out to the floor and finding every outdated revision of a document. Simply launch your updates across all devices instantly from your desk. Digital archives means tracking down changes and updates is a quick and painless process. Through this video, you've seen highlights of the Tulip platform. The Tulip platform makes it extremely easy for engineers to create custom apps for both training and work instructions. Use customizable templates or build your own apps from scratch through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. A built-in analytics engine can create a detailed overview of your processes with real-time data from both your people and machines. Plug-and-play IoT makes device integration simple and intuitive, so you can automate processes without needing IT to either install a new device or add a new feature. All of this can be done on the self-service platform, letting your manufacturing team have complete control of your process. If you'd like to learn more about how Tulip can help with these applications, or other shop floor solutions like quality control, machine monitoring, or production visibility, reach out to us below. Let us show you how easily we can digitize one of your manufacturing processes.